What is up, guys? This is Aman from Tech Unwind 9, and I'm coming back at you with a new video on the Nintendo Switch. Here we go. Roll the footage. First and foremost, I wanted to give a big shout out to all the douchebags and the scalpers that are charging $500+ for the Nintendo Switch at the moment, all because of the COVID-19, and they're selling out like crazy. Also, they're using bots to buy this. Eventually, this is gonna go down, but right now it's supposed to be 300 plus tax. Oh well, that's life. Alright, let's pull out the actual Switch. Okay, very nice. Not too heavy, not too light. I like it so far. Wow, that is a nice color. I mean, I love that combination. I had an option between these two and all black stealth look. I might do that eventually, but for right now, I like the bright colors. So I chose the bright colors for this time. Usually I go with all black stealth look, but this time I got this, okay? All right, so now you have the HDMI input and you have the charger. So here's the charger on the left and the HDMI on the right. All right, that's how you hook it up. And you have the usual books and information. We don't need that. We can get rid of that. We don't use that. We figured this out on our own, right? All right, let's take a look. What is this? So this right here is for the Joy-Cons. You can actually hook up your Joy-Cons to this and kind of use it like a controller, like a PS3 or PS4 or whatnot. So that's there. It does not charge your Joy-Cons. You're gonna have to plug them in once they're done with the battery. This right here comes in different colors. These are for the Joy-Cons. They connect to the Joy-Cons for when you're not using them. It's just there to protect the Joy-Cons. Or if you unplug them from the from your Switch, you're able to connect this to that. There's no purpose other than protecting the Joy-Cons. All right, let's open up this. Well, this is the main piece that you're going to be using to connect your Switch to the TV. So let's open it up and take a look. All right, they wrapped it up pretty well. It's pretty hard to get it off. Let's get it out of there and take a look. All right, so it looks like a simple box. Take a look at all the different things. Oh, that's really nice. They did a really good job on the sign. Very nice stealthy look. I like that. I might actually put some D-brand stickers on here and the skins on here and take a look to see what it looks like. I know in the beginning there was a lot of issue with them, but they actually fixed them and now you can use them. All right, so there is the connections. They're hidden. I really like that. I like that. Very nice. Okay, so you have the two USBs right there. HDMI on the inside and the power cord on the inside. Very nice. I feel like this is like the perfect size. Any bigger than this, it would have been an annoyance to have. They probably could have went a little bit smaller, but this is just good enough for now. All right, let's take a look at your actual piece that you're going to be using. This is a screen that you're going to be hooking up to the Joy-Cons. All right, there's a Switch. Take a look at this thing. It's really nice. I mean, I love the build quality of it. I don't think it's metal. I think it's plastic, but it's still really nice. There's a speaker grill on the back of it. All right, there's a charger on the bottom. Right there on the left, we'll pop this open and show you. That's a stand for when you want to play two-handed mode, or if you want to play with two people, you can do that. Right underneath it, we also had the micro USB card, which does not come with it. Alright guys, let's hook up these Joy-Cons and take a look. Let's do the blue one first. Really nice, it clicks right in. I like the way it feels. I like the way it clicks in. It's sturdy, strong, it's not flimsy at all. I really like the way Nintendo's done this. Now we're going to set up the Nintendo. You just follow the directions. It's pretty self-explanatory. And once you get it set up, here is the main screen. If you guys can take a look, this is where the games would be if you had a game downloaded on here, or if you have an actual game card, you can slide it in there and it would pop up right there. Now let's go into the settings. I'm going to show you guys a few settings, okay? It has the airplane mode, screen brightness for those people that want to have the battery last longer. They can control it by going up and down. If you go lower on the screen brightness, you're definitely going to get a better battery life. Also, basic black is definitely a better way to go to save battery if you want to do that. And they have TV settings, system update, language. You can change a whole bunch of different things. Yeah, so this is the setup process right over here. You have the Wi-Fi settings. Just hit OK on that. And we're going to probably get out of this right now. Hit the home button and go back to the home button. And you guys can see all the settings are right here. Easy control. Well, this here was the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2nd edition. They have 2 editions now. This is the newest one with the better battery. I hope you guys liked this review. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and like the video. Take care, and I have a new video coming up very soon.